To complete step 2 of the prioritizing standards process, you will begin where you left off at the end of step 1. This will set your team up to be able to move from this circle, what we teach and assess, to this innermost circle, what we teach, assess, and intervene on. After each individual teacher has input their feedback on what is currently taught and assessed in their course, the spreadsheet automatically filled in an X in the final column of the sheet. The next step is to prepare the tools you will need to help narrow down your prioritized standards to generate your list of guaranteed standards that will be shared with parents and students next year. To do this, you'll take any standard that is identified with an X and copy and paste that standard into 2 places. First, you'll copy and paste the marked standards into your team's real template. This template can be found in the Collaborative Teams folder. In the Collaborative Teams folder, right down here. And it was also linked into an email outlining the process. You'll have to use the File, Make a Copy option in the document to get a version that your team can edit. To copy and paste, you'll simply highlight the standard, then use the Control-C function to copy, and then place your cursor in the template and paste that standard. Again, you'll do that with any standard identified with an X in this final column. Once you have copy and pasted all of the X-marked standards into the real template, you will also need to copy and paste them into page 2, right down here at the bottom, of your prioritizing standards spreadsheet. You'll do that by following the same process. You'll highlight the box that corresponds to the X-marked standard, Control-C to copy it, then you'll go into page 2 of your spreadsheet and enter Control-V to paste it in. You'll complete that with each of your X-marked standards. Copying and pasting your X-marked standards into the real template and into page 2 of the Prioritizing Standards spreadsheet completes step 2 of the prioritizing standards process. In step 3, we will learn how to apply the real criteria to these identified standards to generate the guaranteed standards in each course that we will share with parents and students in our parent syllabus next fall.